Princess out. Sailing away, pass to begin. Moving up now on the outside is Spiker. And in third, moving up on the outside, Tempest. Then followed by Princess Julian. Next on line, Premier Edition, Green Lane. And comes Rock Hard and Aim to Please is running in last. Airport Turner at still Spiker by about 2 lengths. And in second, still sailing away, Tempest is on the outside third. And in fourth, Princess Julian. Coming closer now in the Premier Edition, Green Lane. Then followed by Rock Hard and Aim to Please still in last. As they come to the last 200, it's Spiker, stepping forward by Ranger Help. And on the outside now comes sailing away. Last 100 meters is Spiker by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Premier Edition. Second is Spiker, and third is Spiker. Premier Edition goes sailing away, Tempest. Then comes Green Lane, Princess Julian, Rock Hard, and Aim to Please.
4-5 close finish ng ating third na sailing away at Tempest.
And then 6-2-7-1.
Nakita natin, no, from start to finish na ito sa Spiker.